Welcome back to part 2. In the last video we went and created a virtual machine. I've logged back into it and you can see it right before you now. There's a couple of things we need to do to get this ready though before we're able to download the software. The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to change the security settings, because by default Microsoft locks everything down right the way down to the browser level, so we won't be able to download anything unless we change the settings. So what we need to do is click on Tools and then Internet Options and then Security and then Custom Level. And if you scroll to about halfway down, you can see there's some options. You need to make sure that this is enabled. That's the only thing you need to do. It's disabled by default. Make sure that's enabled and click OK. Now at this stage it's probably better, and this will be more relevant in other videos, that you install preferably Chrome on your new virtual machine. That's because after you or before you install a software, it's probably worthwhile installing Chrome, because it will be easier later on. You've just got to add a few of these. It'll be easier later on when it comes to having another browser on your desktop. The benefit of having a browser on your desktop alongside your LeadHootz application is there may be some things you need to do to change your LinkedIn profile, and it's just easier to do that on the same virtual machine using the same IP address. So after this is installed, we'll stop using Internet Explorer altogether actually, and we'll let Chrome install, and once this is finished we'll be able to install LeadHootz. Right, so now we've got Chrome installed. There's no real security issues with Chrome like there is with Internet Explorer. I'm going to go to the LeadHootz website. I want to go all the way to the bottom. And then click download. Now what happens here is the same that will happen on a desktop. The application needs to install some third-party libraries like this. Some Windows machines already has the .NET runtime on there, so this will not be needed to be installed, but if you don't, you would need to make sure this is checked. We'll click next, and then we're going to click install. This is just a necessary library that LeadHootz uses. You can close this, and then we'll just go through the wizard. And click finish, and there we are. And there's a getting started video. If you don't want to see that, you can just exit on that, and there you go. So the next thing to do will be to add an account, but all of that is in other videos. If you were to go back to the website and click on resources and click on the Help Center, everything you need to know about the application, how it works, is there. If you click on getting started, it will go through the process of adding a new account, what's involved, and how to subscribe. So it's all there. But if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to click the help on the website and send us a message, and we'll get right back to you. Thank you.